Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add images to your Samsung Notes from your internet browser. So let's say you're browsing on your Samsung S25 Ultra and you're basically researching about a subject, say for example, the brain anatomy, and you want to take this image and paste it in your Samsung Notes. Then let me show you how to do this. Now here, go ahead and long press on it. Go ahead and tap on View Image. Now go ahead and open up the Air command. Open up your notes. Go ahead and bring this note down. Now to bring this image here, go ahead and long press on it, and then go ahead and just drag it down to your notes. So now go ahead and open up your notes, and now you can go ahead and resize it and then write your notes here. So there you go guys, that is how to add images to your Samsung Note from your internet browser on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.